This is how you make a 1-inch split ring keychain. Get your 1-inch machine out and then get your parts out, which include shells, your graphics, mylar, colette, VersaBack, plastic tab, and split ring keychain. We'll start with the pickup die facing us. We'll insert the shell into the pickup die, smooth side up. The graphic goes on top of the shell, the mylar goes on top of the graphic. Rotate the die table around, insert the colette into the crimp die, sharp side up. Pull the handle all the way down, lift the handle back up, rotate the die table around, pull the handle down a second time. Remove the button from the machine, snap in the VersaBack, and then insert the tab and keychain simultaneously like that. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please visit us at www.buttonmakers.net for more tips, tricks, and crafty ideas. See you there.